The pace of innovation in the drone industry has slowed in one important way: creators are no longer impressed by specifications alone. There was a time when adding a higher resolution camera or a few extra minutes of flight time was enough to make a new flagship stand out. That is no longer the case. Professional filmmakers, photographers, surveyors, and commercial drone operators now expect much more from their equipment. They want intelligent automation, dependable performance, advanced safety systems, and cameras that integrate seamlessly into demanding production environments. That shift in expectations is exactly why the rumored DJI Mavic 5 Pro has become one of the most closely watched drone projects in recent years. If the latest industry reports are accurate, DJI may be preparing a drone that focuses less on isolated upgrades and more on creating a smarter, more complete aerial filmmaking platform. The Mavic series has always occupied a unique position within DJI's lineup. It has consistently delivered professional-level imaging while remaining compact enough to fit inside a backpack. That balance between portability and capability helped establish the Mavic family as the preferred choice for countless travel filmmakers, wedding videographers, commercial production teams, and independent creators. However, maintaining that leadership has become increasingly difficult as each generation raises expectations. The next flagship cannot simply be better than its predecessor, it must feel meaningfully different. Current rumors suggest the DJI Mavic 5 Pro is being designed with exactly that objective in mind. Leaked renders and supply chain information indicate that DJI intends to retain the familiar foldable design that has defined the Mavic series for years. This decision appears logical because portability remains one of the platform's greatest strengths. Professionals often carry multiple cameras, lenses, audio equipment, batteries, and computers when traveling for assignments. A compact drone that unfolds within seconds continues to offer a significant practical advantage over larger aircraft that require dedicated transport cases. Although the overall silhouette looks familiar, closer inspection of leaked images reveals several notable differences. The camera assembly appears larger and more sophisticated than previous models, suggesting DJI has devoted considerable attention to the imaging system. Numerous reports indicate the DJI Mavic 5 Pro could feature an upgraded Hasselblad camera built around a modern stack CMOS sensor, marking one of the biggest hardware changes the Mavic line has seen in years. A stack sensor would provide benefits extending well beyond higher image quality. Faster readout speeds reduce rolling shutter distortion, improve burst photography, and enable smoother video capture during aggressive flight maneuvers. This technology also supports more responsive autofocus and faster image processing, allowing the camera to react more quickly as scenes change. For aerial cinematographers who regularly capture moving vehicles, wildlife, or sporting events, these improvements could significantly increase the number of usable shots. Dynamic range is another area where creators hope to see major progress. Drone operators frequently encounter scenes containing bright skies alongside darker landscapes, forests, or city streets. Cameras with greater dynamic range preserve more information across these extremes, giving editors greater flexibility during color grading. If the DJI Mavic 5 Pro introduces a new generation of sensor technology, photographers and filmmakers could benefit from richer highlights, deeper shadows, and more balanced exposures straight out of the camera. Low light performance has also become an increasingly important consideration. As drone regulations continue evolving, many professionals are undertaking more work during sunrise, sunset, and evening hours. Smaller sensors have traditionally struggled in these conditions, producing visible image noise and reduced color accuracy. Industry insiders suggest DJI may combine improved hardware with computational photography to overcome these limitations. Instead of relying solely on sensor size, artificial intelligence could analyze every frame, reducing noise, balancing exposure, and enhancing overall image quality before the footage is even recorded. Artificial intelligence appears likely to influence many other aspects of the camera's system as well. Scene recognition, automatic HDR optimization, intelligent exposure control, and advanced color processing could all become integrated into the imaging pipeline. Rather than simply recording what the lens sees, the DJI Mavic 5 Pro may actively optimize each scene according to lighting conditions, subject matter, and shooting style. This approach reflects a broader trend across the imaging industry, where software increasingly complements hardware to deliver superior results. Resolution remains another major topic of speculation. Several leaks suggest DJI could introduce true 8K video recording, allowing creators to capture extraordinary levels of detail while maintaining greater flexibility during post-production. Higher resolution footage enables cropping, digital stabilization, and reframing without significantly compromising final output quality. However, professionals generally agree that resolution alone does not determine image quality. Compression efficiency, color depth, dynamic range, frame rates, and color science often contribute far more to the overall viewing experience than pixel count. If DJI focuses equally on these characteristics, the DJI Mavic 5 Pro could offer a genuinely noticeable improvement rather than simply producing larger video files. The multi-camera system is also attracting significant attention. Earlier Mavic generations introduced multiple focal lengths, giving creators additional compositional flexibility. While these extra cameras proved useful, many users felt they did not fully match the quality of the primary Hasselblad sensor. That inconsistency occasionally limited their usefulness during professional productions where maintaining consistent color and image quality was essential. Rather than reinventing the Mavic concept from scratch, the company appears focused on perfecting every aspect of it. Better imaging, more intelligent automation, enhanced obstacle avoidance, stronger transmission, improved endurance, and refined professional workflows all point towards a flagship designed around the practical needs of modern creators. If DJI successfully delivers on most of these expectations, the DJI Mavic 5 Pro could become far more than another premium drone. It may represent the next stage in portable aerial filmmaking, proving that true innovation is not always about introducing entirely new ideas, but about removing the limitations that prevent creators from telling their stories exactly as they imagine them.